Inmates and detainees may participate in a variety of programming activities, including various faith-based religious programs, individual counseling, Bible studies, Islamic prayer services, Catholic confession and communion, Protestant worship services, interfaith pastoral care programming, Alcoholics Anonymous groups, Celebrate Recovery groups, GED education and testing, Know Your Rights presentations. All program participation is voluntary. Inmates and detainees may also participate in a variety of work programs while in custody, including work in food service, laundry, road crew, and various other opportunities. Inmates who are arrested on state or local charges will go before a judge in rights court the morning after they are arrested, excluding holidays. Prior to going to court, inmates may speak with a representative from the Public Defender's Office if they do not have their own representation. Rights court is held in a courtroom just off of the front desk in the jail. Members of the general public may view the proceedings by registering at the front desk. Rights court begins at approximately 8:30 each morning and runs until the judge has had the opportunity to see the arrestee. Members of the general public will be able to view and hear the proceedings. However, they will not be allowed to speak or participate in any way. During rights court, the judge may remand the inmate back to the custody of the sheriff without a bond, or he may set a bond. The judge may also release the inmate on a recognizance bond. The inmate signs their name, promising to show up for their court date. It is at this time that the judge will schedule the next court date. Bond may be posted at any time through the bonding window at the front of the jail. The bonding window is located in the vestibule just prior to entering the front desk area of the jail. There is an additional $28 processing fee for each bond posted. Bond can be posted with cash, credit, debit cards, or certified cashier check. Bond and processing fees must be in exact amounts. The jail does not have the ability to make change. If you are posting bond for an inmate, please inquire prior to posting the bond if there are any outstanding holds on the individual. If there are holds for another agency, the inmate will be released to the other agency once their bond has been placed in the McHenry County. Depending on the nature of the hold, you may be able to post the additional bond through McHenry County. If the inmate has an ICE detainer, he or she will be taken to Chicago for processing once their bond has been placed for the local charges. It will then be up to ICE whether to release the individual or continue to hold them in custody. At this point, they may be transferred back to McHenry County or one of the other ICE holding facilities. The officer at the bonding window will let you know if there are additional holds and which agencies have those holds.